Hello, welcome back. This is MeloMart, and today we're here with an entire case of the Shopkins Real Littles MicroMart series. There's 12 in here. This is the box. The beautiful box. It's gorgeous.
How much did you pay for them?
How much did I pay for them? So it was like $2.97 each. So it was like $40 or something. 42.
All right, here we go.
But yeah, so inside all of these, there's like a box or a container, like a plastic container, that contains a Shopkins. So you get the Shopkins and then you get like a little designed toy as well. Okay, this is really scary.
Okay, so this one looks like we got Chef Boyardee mac and cheese. We got our Shopkin.
Wait, I like that one.
Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh.
I think I yes, this is the one that I was just saying that I wanted. So it's Neapolitan ice cream by Breyers. I got so excited I started opening it. So here's the case. And this was inside. So let's open it.
So this is what was inside the Chef Boyardee mac and cheese. We've got a little spoonful of mac and cheese. She's smiling. Very cute.
Wait, so this one, like, it's like squishy. Kind of, like it's a little bit like malleable. And this is the Neapolitan ice cream. Wow. Okay, that's like one of my new favorites that I own at all. So this is the beef ravioli. This is the other one I got. Which one did you get?
I got Boom Chicka Pop dark chocolate. Looks like popcorn. Let's see.
Ooh, dark chocolate
open.
popcorn.
And then we just gotta open this up. Okay, here is
That one's cute.
our dark chocolate popcorn.
Wait, this looks just like the, it feels almost just like the Chef Boyardee ravioli. It's like, it's, wow. It's almost strange. Here, do you want to try that? That's like weird almost. Okay, cool. And then they all come with a list. Let's see who we got. Yeah.
Oh no.
Dude, I really like this one. Do you mind if I...
Yeah.
That one's really cute. I like the detail. Wow, it's gorgeous. What is that? What does that say? Chocolatey Popsy Pals. It says MicroMart Special is what that burst means, I guess.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's a common, but it's a MicroMart Special.
It looks like mac and cheese is rare. You can see the green checkbox. Mac and cheese.
This is a rare. No wonder. It's a good one. And then this one.
That one is Renata Ravioli. And she is common.
I like that one. She has a funny face. This is interesting. It says Vanilla Chalk Breyers, but like that totally ignores the fact that there's strawberry. This one's too cute. I love the mouth on the one on the left. I wonder. Okay. So this one came with the King Cone, which maybe you've heard of, maybe you haven't, but they're really good. And it also came with pasta sauce, which is great.
Okay.
Show that.
So you got Rice Krispie treats, a birthday cake, and inside we have a little Rice Krispie treat.
Okay, I need to freak out for a second because I've been waiting for this for so long. I've been eyeballing this one. This is extremely satisfying. Okay. I like this one. It's funny.
The tomato sauce?
Yeah, it's being scooped. It's like in there.
The one I got was Kellogg's Eggo pancakes. Inside we have a cute little stack of pancakes with some syrup and a little pat of butter. Very cute.
So that other one was crispy sprinkles. It's almost like an updated pancake Jake. And the pancakes have like a different Ooh, the syrup is like, it feels sticky. You should feel that. It's pretty cool. That one is ultra rare, I guess, which is awesome. And their name is Buttercup Pancakes. King Cone. King Cone's just right in there.
Ooh.
There's King Cone.
I like the detail on the top.
It's so, like, funny almost. Here they are. It is King Cone, and it's a rare. Which one do you want? This one? Or this one?
I like this one.
So far, they're all really good. I really like the Rice Krispie Neapolitan. And the pancake, actually, I really like a lot, too. Wait.
Okay, so this one we got Welch's White Grape Juice. Nice packaging, very sturdy. Let's pop them open. I'm gonna open that up.
Okay, I have to show this. I'm super excited about this one. I've been looking for this one, too. Snack pack. This one's chocolate vanilla. Ooh, the blind bag is showing. Oh, the
Okay, and then this is the Shopkin that's inside the grape juice. She's got a clear cup and kind of like a peachy color inside. She's also very squishy.
This one we got this Klondike, like, crunch. The outside of this one's really cute. I actually have like another Klondike one, so this is cool because now they can be friends. Okay. Wow. They have a bite taken out of them, and they're like super happy about it. Ooh, the inside, okay, do you see that? The inside looks like it's actually like bitten.
Yeah.
I like that. That's great.
And the second one I got are Hebrew National Beef Franks. Looks like it comes in a pack of 12. And this is the Shopkin that's inside. Super cute.
Wait, I've been wanting that one.
Toasted bun. Very cute. A little bit squishy as well.
Cool. And then we have snack pack.
Ooh.
This is why I was
two.
excited. Yes. Ooh. There they are. And this one is also squishy feeling, but they all kind of have like a different consistency. I like it.
What flavor is that?
It's chocolate vanilla. Oh yeah.
Is that this one?
I think so, yeah.
Looks different on the little image.
And then this is the counterpart.
Oh, okay.
And they look very happy.
That snack pack is ultra rare.
This one is?
Yeah.
Wow.
Charlie Chalk and Lily Vanilla. So we've got Gracie Grape Peach, and she is rare.
Wait, that one's really cute. I just realized how amazing she is.
And the hot dogs are Fabulous Frank, and he is common. Fabulous Frank.
It's just called Crunch Klondike. Cool. Next round. It's like Tetris or something now.
Okay, so it looks like we've got Good Humor Giant Neapolitan Ice Cream Sandwiches.
Ooh, I'm excited for that one. And then right here we have Welch's grape juice. This one's really cute. Ooh, I'm extremely excited for this one. Mother's Circus Animals.
That's so cute. I love the bag.
Me too. Actually,
So inside the giant Neapolitan sandwich, we have a little ice cream Shopkin. She's kind of squishy, kind of rubbery. She's winking.
I love it.
Super cute. And then we have Cheez-It Hot and Spicy. Inside that one we have a little Cheez-It cracker. She's got some glitter on top. Maybe that's the spice. Is it capturing the glitter?
You can actually get like really close and it shows it like really nice and detailed. That one's cute. And then in the circus animals, we have this little stack
Ooh.
of circus animals. This is the top.
I like that it's a stack because they already know you're not just gonna eat one.
Right?
Oh, I like that one.
Yes, I actually, even this, like, the outside is cute, how it's kind of like, I know it looks like actual grape juice.
Yeah.
Ooh! The cup is like a different shape. I think they got some paint on that.
And that one was called Sherry Cherry Grape, and she is a rare.
Ooh.
And for the circus animal cookies, those are called Anna Mel cookies, and those are common. And for the Neapolitan ice cream, their name is Giant Neo, and they are common.
Oh, wow. So it's actually cherry grape. Cherry grape. No wonder it looks like extra delicious. That one's a rare.
And the Cheez-Its, it doesn't really have a fancy name. It's just called Spicy Cheez-It, and that is a common.
That's great. That one's so pretty. Last couple of rounds. So far, there's no duplicates, huh?
Nope, no duplicates.
No duplicates. Love that. Ooh. We got fudge stripes. And then, ooh, I think this is like butter, right? Blue bonnet butter.
Oh, that one's a cute one. It's
Cute. It has like
tub of butter.
tub of butter, yeah. It's cute.
Okay, I got Breyer's Rocky Road ice cream. Looks like it's okay. Yeah, it's just Rocky Road flavor. Inside, we've got an ice cream scooper with a cute little scoop of Rocky Road ice cream.
Cute. It's like in a scooper. That's different. This isn't easy to get out. Yes. Ooh. It's like a stack and they're falling all over. And they're like, oh no. And it's
Ooh,
squishy.
those fudge stripe cookies.
Yup.
The second one in my box was Welch's Grape Jelly. Big jar of jelly. And inside we had a big spoon of grape jelly. She's got some freckles, kind of shiny.
Like very squishy. Okay, that's like too cute. Because it's like, do you see the detail there? It's like a real little pat of butter. And she looks so sad.
The grape jelly was called, her name's Amanda Grape Jelly, and she is rare. The Rocky Road ice cream is named Rocky Road Briars, and he is common.
So the fudgy stripes are the fudge stripes. The fudgy fudge stripes. That one's a common. Who are you? Mary Lou Blue. And I get now why she's so sad, because she's blue.
Alright, last two.
Wow, it's the last two. This was so much fun. Marie Callender's chicken pot pie.
Yes.
Or wait, I'm sorry. Beef pot pie. And then we have Nutri-Grain. Okay, and Nutri-Grain is just like right there. And actually, it does look like Nutri-Grain, but I do feel like it looks a lot more like a microwave enchilada. Kellogg's Nutri-Grain.
And I got Manwich Bold Sloppy Joe sauce. This looks like it's a canned product.
Okay.
And this is what's inside. A little Sloppy Joe sandwich.
That's adorable.
Super cute.
Wait, the meat is like a different consistency than like the bun. This is amazing. It's like spilling out like...
Ooh. That's beef pot pie?
It's beef pot pie. It's got like a reddish look to it.
And our last one, Good Humor Chocolate Eclair Ice Cream Bars. And inside we have a little ice cream bar with a bite taken out of it. You can see the fudge inside. She's got kind of a, it looks like a crumbly coating. Cute.
That one's super cute. Wow, it's like that little chocolate bar. Chalk Eclair. That one's a common. Okay, we got Nutri-Grain here. Also a common, and their name is Cindy Apple Nutri-Grain. Oh wait, I'm sorry. That's the wrong Nutri-Grain. Oh no, wait. That's the only Nutri-Grain. That's the Nutri-Grain.
And for the Manwich Sloppy Joe sauce, they're just called Sloppy Joe, and they are a common.
Alright, and then last but not least, we have Beef E Pot Pie. Not to be confused with Pot Pie Pete, who I also have somewhere. What do you think so far? What do you think of everything that we got?
I think it's great that we didn't get any duplicates.
We didn't get any duplicates. We got a huge set. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Here's one last look at all the pieces that we got. I'm not even sure which one is my favorite. They're all pretty good. Which one do you like?
I really like the circus animal cookies. I think the bag is just like super accurate.
There they are. Yeah, that one. I really like that one. I think, out of the ones that I kind of like really wanted to get, I do really like that one. But I also really like this one. But the pleasant surprise was this Neapolitan ice cream. And actually the other Neapolitan ice cream, where is it? I gotta give a shout out to that one. So basically, in short, every single one was amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.